Yeah, you get scared, you get scared, man, get scared. You get scared. People ask me all the time why I love Russia or Russia. I just say to them that America, England, France, they say bad thing about America, about Russia. They say bad thing about Russia. Say Russia is no good, there's no liberty, nothing is good here. But when I arrive here for the World Cup, I see everything is beautiful. Everything is simple. People love each other. People like black. They like everyone. Everyone here is happy. Nyeto Rabota, Nyeto Jinge, Nyeto Reclama. I'm just there waiting for my case to have paper and to get a job. A good job. I have no job. That's the only thing I can say. But as I want the President Putin to look after my case, say that because I support Russia and they put my picture everywhere in the world, say that one black man support Russia. Now soon I don't have paper. That's the only thing, because I will still support Russia until I die. But I love Russia. I love Krasnodar because it's a beautiful country. People are friendly. They are gentle. Krasnodar! 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 Canada! 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 Я Hastel B. Я не понимаю. Извините. Как это по-русски? I have problem with the government in my country. Problem, big problem. If I go back, I will be killed. They will kill me. That's the problem. I have my own problem because I put the color, Russian color, to my body. I paint the Russian flag. Daily Telegraph shoot to all over the world. All the television, they see it, and that's why in my government want to kill me. Because they don't want me to sport, because I sport Cameroon all over the world. In Africa, I'm the best. And they don't want me to go to sport another country. When I was in Cameroon, I sport all the team. Football, basketball, volleyball, boxing. I go to support them because, you see, it's sport. You cannot just go to Krasnodar football. Says Krasnodar, there's the people who need me to be the talisman. I can go to the box, to the volley, to the basket, to the handball. Because I love Russia, because I put painting for Russia. That's why they say I'm anti-patriotic to Cameroon. Because people think that Russia is no good. And I make people believe that Russia is the best country in the world. That's what I believe. And it's so beautiful. Russia is so beautiful. Russia is beautiful. When I say ha, people don't know what I'm saying ha. Because I'm always in first. And to be first, it's like monkey, silverback. The silverback of monkey is the boss. And the boss, they always shout, ha! That's why. It's the best way. You know that in my country, the people who are the first, they always want to shoot the power. Last time, 200 years ago, 500 years ago, like this way, we was talking, ha! We were shouting to be powerful. Ah! Still the Africa dress. Cannot use just one. You have to change all the time. This is another one again. This is another one. For the summer, where it's so hot, that's why I use this. This for the summer, because it's not heavy. You can wear this one. It's another cap. No, no every day. Because in my country is always what? If you know big party, you can know where we wear for the party, for the meeting, for the big meeting. When we invite people in our country, that's what we use. We wear this. I will be like this, African. If Putin invite me, say Zomo, Putin want to see you, then I will wear this one, this dress, and go to see him. That's the way.
Les hommes vont tous oublier que Jésus est mort pour nous sauver. Aller en boîte m'amuser, le mec est venu me coller, me soufflant à l'oreille que comme damné sur moi il est calé. Et malé, que son totem c'est l'aura. Et malé, où est passé Charles Ateba? Au blé c'est Touma, Touma c'est Touma. Au blé c'est Touma.
So I'm free. They fight for the freedom, love for my people. Some guys, they fight for the future, love for my people. In our home. Oh, Volva! One love, this one, like this. No, this one, one love.
This is love for my people.
They fight for the future, love for my people. They fight for the freedom, love for my people. Oh, one love, Bully, bully, boom, 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 boom. Oh shit.
Скажи мне.
Oh shit.
Були-були-бум.
Boom, boom, boom.
О, видишь, она льется.
Приятно познакомиться. Ah.
Good.
Undo the song. Bully boom,
Boom, boom, boom.
bully bully boom. Krasnodar, Krasnodar is the best football. Krasnodar is the best football. Krasnodar is the best basketball. Krasnodar is the best football. All sport, da. Come, my best friend. I start painting myself because I want to do something for my country. Because I see a lot of people in the world do something. America said that what you can do for your country, know what the country can do for you. It's the proverb in America. In Africa, people always take everything to go to America to go. Take everything, stole everything to go. I say, what can I do to help Africa in my own way? This is what I did to start painting myself. Now it's more than 15 years now I'm painting myself. See, people always recognize me like patriot. But when I come to the World Cup, I start supporting Russia. It was against me. They was bad against me. They say that they don't want me to come back to Africa. That's the only problem. That's why I come to Krasnodar and I meet Volva, one of the best, my best friend. Krasnodar, champion. Krasnodar, champion. This is the song. Volva and me, we are trying to do the new song for Krasnodar. And we do it before the football start the song will be ready. To everyone to know the song. To everyone to listen about Krasnodar. Best song, Bully Bully Boom, Krasnodar.
Давай футбол.
Давай.
Я не умею.
А, он тоже не умеет.
Нормально, давайте.
Ну, с Зомой я познакомился, когда мы ехали с футбольного выезда из города Ростова в Краснодар, где играла наша команда. И в одном автобусе мы ехали, нас посадили рядом, так получилось. И вот с тех пор я познакомился. Он увидел, что я с камерой снимаю блог, ему стало это интересно, потому что он говорит, что тоже снимает блог в Африке, там снимает фильмы. И на этой теме мы с ним познакомились, и как-то какие-то совместные пути продвижения нашего творчества наметили. И вот сейчас как раз этим занимаемся. Я думаю, Зома талантливый парень. Конечно, очень сложно без знания русского языка, без друзей, абсолютно без денег. Ему очень сложно сейчас в России. Тем более, что у него семья за плечами в Африке. Но он молодец, не унывает. Очень позитивный. Несмотря на отсутствие денег, на проблемы, на пока то, что ничего не получается, он не унывает и чувствует себя хорошо. И заряжает нас своим позитивом. Не только меня, но и жителей Краснодара. Я думаю, он неплохой парень. И он добрый, отзывчивый и, что самое главное, откровенный. Он честный и открытый парень. Зома мечтает сделать лейбл и зарабатывать музыкой, клипами, продвижением молодых артистов. Я думаю, для того, чтобы это получилось, ему нужно работать, и еще раз работать, и делать правильные шаги. В провинции, конечно, это с одной стороны сложно, но сейчас век цифровых технологий и есть интернет. И я думаю, что если усердно трудиться, с его талантом он сможет добиться своей цели.
Бум-бум-бум. Давай, давай. Давай. Bully boom boom, bully bully boom, bully bully boom, boom boom boom, bully bully boom, boom boom boom. Canada champion! I live in Cameroon. I was the best supporter in all Africa. When I come to Krasnodar, people start loving me. People want to be with me. All Krasnodar is my family. Family in Cameroon, I have 8 children. But I divorced my wife. I have no wife. Because I'm divorced, because she says she cannot stay anymore because I'm not there all the time. I'm always abroad. I'm always with the lion. But now I come to Russia to stay. She says she cannot stay anymore. She divorced and she left me with 8 children. 8 children. Now I'm here. Life is very tough. You have to keep fighting. Never give up in life. Keep fighting until you become successful. Until you die, you have to fight. Fight for your right. That's the only way. I'm here to fight, to always become the best. I was the best for the World Cup, the best for the World Cup. I will be the best in Krasnodar, and the best in the movie and the music. There. I don't know. It's life you can decide. It's not me. My life is to God. If God say, Zomo, go back to Africa, even if I get killed, I will go back. It's God who said that. But me, I don't think so. At the moment, I'm in Russia. I'm here with all my friends, enjoy myself, try to do my best, try to learn the language of Russia, and try to learn the language. This is the only thing I can say now. But for the future, I don't know. It's God who knows the future. Привет!
Привет.
Меня зовут Зомо. Как вас зовут?
Виталик.
Виталик.
Давайте начинать.
This short cut bass.
Там был вот в серединке, ближе к концу.
Oh, this is love for my people. Free, They fight for the freedom, love for my people. Some rise. They fight for the future, love for my people. Love to walk any position choose. Love to wear whatever clothes. Love to stop and present with your horse. And smell super from the nose. Love to achieve the wife. Love not to be shooting off life. Love to choose and read any book. Love to choose where to look. Love to pursue my in the world, in Africa, America, we want the peace. Because peace is very important. Africa, America, Russia, peace. Krasnodar, Zomo, Talisman.